Hey everybody, I'm Mary and this is my simple cottage life. It's been raining here for 2 days. The rain gauge shows 4 inches of rain. It's thundering, lightning, and I want you to look at the catawba branches on that tree. They are so heavy with water that they're almost to the ground. They're bending down toward the ground. They're so heavy. I am telling you, there are places around here that are flooding. There are roads that are flooded. I had to run down to my son's earlier. And on the way home, I hydroplaned just a little bit. I wasn't going fast. It was just a low place in the road that had more water than what my little car is used to going over. Last night, it was terrible. Terrible thunder and lightning. And oh man, I totally did not sleep a wink. And neither did Thule. She was an absolute crazy dog. She was just hanging on to me. She was up and down and back and forth. She was miserable, and so was I. Look at that rain come down, y'all. I mean to tell you, we have flat had rain all of March, April, and now in May. It is just flooding in some places. So I hadn't been able to be out in my garden today. Just wanted to let y'all know. I'm still around. There's just not a whole lot I can do from inside the house right now. You know, in the spring and the summer, my place is outside. That's where I like to be, out in the nature, out with nature. And my birds, I don't even see any birds around. They're all hiding somewhere, doing their best to stay dry, bless them. Hear that thunder? Poor little Thule. That scares her something awful. Oh gosh. It's gonna have to stop pretty soon, y'all. Yards are getting flooded, roads are flooding. There's lots of wrecks going on. Sure is dangerous. I don't know where y'all are. I hope you all stay safe. I hope God is good to you. I'll see you when I can. Bye-bye.